Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the gas regulator valve in your range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Unthread the gas supply line from the regulator. For better access to replace the regulator valve, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Using a 9/16" wrench, unthread the nut securing the broil supply tube to the valve. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut securing the manifold gas supply tube to the valve. Next, unthread the mounting screws securing the regulator valve to the back panel. Note the orientation of the regulator wires, then disconnect them. Prepare the new gas regulator valve for installation by transferring the fitting from the old valve to the new one. Apply new thread sealant to the threads of the fitting. Be aware, if your range uses liquid propane, you will need to reverse the regulator cap. Unthread the cap, turn it over, and thread the opposite end into the regulator. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Align the valve on the back panel so the orifice tube is inserted into the bake burner tube. Then secure the valve with the mounting screws. Insert the broil supply tube into the regulator valve, then thread the nut to secure. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Do the same to secure the manifold gas supply tube to the valve. Again, avoid over-tightening. Confirm that the new regulator valve is in the on position. Attach the gas supply line to the regulator valve. Turn the gas supply back on and test the connections by applying a non-corrosive leak detection solution. The solution will bubble if there is a leak. Once you've confirmed the connections are secure and leak-free, reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.